Flavors a gallus. Notice a gallus. Ding dang a gallus. Over Mars them a gallus. Slaughter a gallus. Chano Bravo a gallus. Fancy man them a gallus. Shanty Ice them a gallus. No linger, no linger, me say fi. No linger, no linger, me say fi. No linger, no linger, no linger. Just show them your middle finger. Alright, sway, 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 sway. You fi do the clean sweep. Me see gyal a go east and gyal a go west. Gyal a go north, gyal a go south, gyal a labo. Me see gyal a shock out when them a go out. I run about, gyal a sing out, gyal a big out. Me see gyal a go east and gyal a go west. Gyal a go north, gyal a go south, gyal a labo. Me see gyal a shock out when them a go out. I run about, gyal a sing out, gyal a big out. You see strength with him girl, that a feeble man. Put your virgin girl, my youth around. Yes, you know you're wrong.
We are free them. Them a seek attraction but we no see them. Them a fi take we little and we wanna be them. Them a go fall in a witch up cause them a eat them. Show them that they see them. Bad-minded people feel great, 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 great. Wicked people feel great, 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 great. Promises them feel great, 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 great. But I got the rubbish when I wanna dash right. Them a talk me and we back them feel great, 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 great. Fear dirty chat them feel great, 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 great. Wow, when we got them feel great, 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 great. Talking parrot them feel great.
I'm gonna make it, make it, make it. I'm gonna shine.
Hello ladies.
Hello.
How y'all doing?
I'm great. You're okay.
You look great. Especially you.
Really?
Since I walked through that door, I came through the door and I was looking straight into your eyes. And I picked up an interest.
Oh.
Which side of the river are you from?
This part. Yes.
Yes, by the way, my name is Captain. I'm from South St. Elizabeth, but I have houses all over South Manchester. I am the owner of the Rustic, as many know. I don't know if you know, or if you know, but I have houses all over South. Many little cool out spots.
Really? Okay. I'm Chanel.
Oh, nice meeting you, Chanel. If one day, you know, you feel tired of your ear and feel like to get away, that's me and you. By the way, anyway, you ladies care for a drink?
Sure.
Okay, what you have?
Smirnoff Ice.
You?
Likewise.
Alright.
Okay.
Girl, you turn me on. The way that you perform. Caress me with the charm. On and on.
Give me a drink from me and those two beautiful ladies, please. Give me a hot Smirnoff Ice, a cold Smirnoff Ice, a Malta, a peanut, something for yourself and something for them.
Let me be a love bug, drive me like a Herbie. From a talk to a DJ acting nerdy. It's my heart, baby girl, just please don't hurt me.
My one and only. Love when she hold me. The thing she told me. Is my best, so divine. Love less, glad she's mine. Give her all my time, one of her kind. Best, so divine. Love less, glad she's mine. Give her all my time, one of her kind. She's the perfect one for me, I'm not hunting. She work for me, she don't do the fun thing. Cause she's my everything. Let me tell you something. She love me for me, she love me for real. Guardian angel, she's my shield. Let me tell you how I feel.
So what kind of work you do now?
Oh, I was in the States for 20 years, you know. You know, when you're a police in America, you're set when you're in Jamaica. So I did 20 years in the NYPD. You know, I'm out here living my life now.
Okay.
I'm now back in Jamaica living my life. Oh, could take it to my place.
Your place.
Sure. Oh. Bartender, how much do I owe? Let's see if I can change. No, I don't have any change.
Is that US?
No, I don't have any change.
Okay.
You know, the perfect life for you. So maybe I think we should do hook up.
Okay.
Can I have a number?
No.
Really?
Really?
Are you serious?
I am dead serious.
Alright. You don't have to give it to me.
So deep in your eyes, I touch on you more and more every time. When you leave, I'm begging you not to go. Call your name 2-3 times in a row. Such a funny thing for me to try to explain.
So girl, what's your plan to do Valentine's?
Girl, me that's the one go I base a this dance. Don't upload down yeah. But girl, me not have no clothes.
So I'm see boy where meet at Parisville.
Yeah, he me a go try rip off in a girl. Me don't know what me a go tell him. Me have to go tell him say that my mother sick or me a go hospital or something. But me have to get the money, girl. Me want him say me a carry my mother go doctor tomorrow. Me want money. Me want me here for do one nails and everything, girl. But that money they me just want to get one money again. Yeah, so me not have to beg him again. Cause once me get the money, you know, me don't want him. You know that's all. Me just want Valentine. He just shot that day. Yes, girl. So I hit. So what to you now? What you gonna do?
You know, so me see one dress on a New Year, me like ya, me I go buy it.
Yes, girl, but how much for it?
$11,000 for it.
Jesus, how what do you?
And me see one heels for $5,000 me want it. Plus me here I fi do a me nails.
So I asked the brother, how you and the girl them a go on?
No, so we good do that.
Yeah.
Everything up, man.
Sure, sir.
Sure, man.
Dog, you have to watch it a road still, you know. Some of them girls are not easy, you know. Them near me down to your underpants, you know. Watch it, you know.
Nah, man, that not happen yet still, you know. You see me, I don't think that I got happen, my own.
Alright, try your best to make the reach us. No, make the deal like a church house, you know that.
Nah, man, that not reach me, man. You see me.
You notice, nothing never in a church house, eh?
So that me I go tell him,
So
girl.
how much so you not do your ear too?
Now hit me at the money when me I go get panny me no girl. Me I go tell him say it I go cover hair, nails, shoes, everything, all the dressing I hit. Girl, mom, but him say mom want $25,000 cause I did surgery and everything have to come up to that. So you say.
True man, good idea.
Not true.
Yeah,
but me have to text the boy first. Cause me not even know, you know. More. So you say me can send him one please. Cause me see if he mean first, yeah.
True man, you have to test them because
Yes.
them man nowadays they mean they
If he no reply in a 5-minute master, that means say Cause right about
they
now.
want $5,000 please credit.
And that me I go do, girl. Me could send him $25, $15. You crazy?
True man. Rip them liquors.
Me I tell you, girl.
I hope so. In case I call me, yeah, man. So, girl, I'm gonna make you know everything you want.
Yeah man, let me know what I go on is.
So, really quick.
Alright then.
Almost one of them this other takes me to, you know, dog.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yo. The girl had a real joke still, you know, dog.
Yeah,
Yo, pray that.
5 grand!
Dog, I not even know that.
You a scammer?
My youth.
A scammer girl like that.
Right now, you know, dog, I not even know, you know, my youth.
So I say girl them a deal with your road, brother.
Dog. Actually not, yo, me have got call captain no dog, cause right now this a girl I get from bad to worse no daddy.
Man, you make them girl play with your head, you know.
Right now, we can't take the styling thing, you know, dog, cause right now.
John no star, me sorry for your end, brother, I bitter.
Yo, captain. Hey there, fan, a junior man. Yo, you see the girl there, dog, me go want to deal with her, you know, dog. Right now, I be a styling thing, you know, dog. That's what I say.
I say the fuck.
I say, yo, girl, send me all, please credit me, dog. $5,000 credit, my yo. Yo, dog. Might be a styling thing, my yo. Me a forward all the number here, dog. I make a link around thing, my car, right, you know. You see me a be a styling thing, I can't take styling, my yo. You see what me I say? Yeah, man, not say a word, alright, my charge.
Alright, brother, you go link captain.
That me out for dinner, dog.
Link me. Make sure you don't make them girl kill your road in a bar.
Cool, daddy.
Alright, me general.
No, but I can't.